Hey guys, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be discussing once again Apple aftermarket 7/9/2021. If you would, just go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification for me, please. It lets the YouTube algorithm know you enjoy the content. So, not a whole heck of a lot has changed since we last discussed Apple a day or so ago. Here I'm on the daily chart in TradingView and everything working right along nicely. This is what I had drawn in last time we talked about Apple as the most probable path forward, and absolutely nothing has changed. In the last couple of days we dropped a little bit yesterday, came all the way back and broke the close of 2 days ago. So everything's still looking very, very positive. Let's go ahead and go down to the 1 hour chart, and you can see the path a little more clearly that we had drawn out. All this looks very close to what potentially is going to happen. I'm not in the slightest bit worried about Apple right now as of yet. Looks to me like it's strong in this channel, potentially headed right back up to the top here around the 157 area or so, until one of two things happens, right? This is when we need to start getting a little bit concerned: a break of trend line A or a break of minute trend wave trend line B. Both look to be diagonal trend lines that are in place. The first one was from the low and tagged this point on the 11th of June, and the second diagonal trend line is the trend line which has shown a larger degree of momentum acceleration over the last week and change. So those are the two trend lines we have to watch for. I just wanted to show you that. And then the other thing with Apple we haven't talked a whole lot about, but I wanted to show you, this is something else I use to kind of help me along with trend lines, and it's a momentum tool I use. It's called the AAPL. I like to set it at a 15-minute time frame, and you can see here this has had a really nice upward moving momentum since around the 7th of June, so about the period of 1 month now. And when these start moving up like this momentum in these really nice upward trends, and especially above this zero line, these can lead to really strong, really powerful moves to the upside. So again, this is another reason why I'm not even slightly concerned with Apple right now. We've got a lot of protection here with these trend lines. In addition, just seeing a momentum drop just through these levels right at this point seems very unlikely. So it could happen, but just seems really unlikely to me. I do believe, maybe Monday we come down here a little bit, maybe just dip below there and just continue this up for a bit. And this type of kind of jagged consolidation move with this momentum indicator in these zones with this upward sloping diagonal trend line can lead to a powerful move to the upside still in Apple. So that's kind of what I'm watching for, one of two things or both: either a breakdown of this trend line in the momentum, or a breakdown in one of these two trend lines on the 1 hour time frame. So that's it for Apple. Everything's still looking very positive heading into the final 3 weeks or so of this month. Everything's still looking good. Could definitely see some consolidation sideways early on into next week. In fact, it's very probable, but maybe towards the end of next week we start breaking out here and heading towards the upper range of our daily channel, which is going to be where we probably start, take some of the trade off the table and look for a potential correction back down to either the mid-level of this trend, or even better than that, a correction back down to these areas that I showed in the video yesterday back down to these levels would be fantastic too, as far as I'm concerned. So that's it with Apple. Everything looking very healthy, very strong, very good still. Got a couple more videos that I'm going to be shooting for you guys today. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see everybody again very soon, and bye for now.